Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. In this video, we will see how to walk with, uh, with a say tool, and we will see how to make a structure of a rectangle, let's say a photo frame or something like that. Okay, with the help of a shade tool. Okay, so let's say I'll just select this object and I'll just delete this object. So before that, I just move to the edit mode. Those who do not know the shortcut keys, the hotkeys what we use for operating the blenders, so kindly go and watch my previous video so that you will get the proper idea about the tools and the shortcuts. So what I will do now, I'll just erase this one. I want to use cylinder kind of structure. Okay, and with that structure I'm going to make a, so I'll add the object by pressing shift and A, and I will take a cylinder over here. Okay, once I take the cylinder, I'll make sure I'll just go to twig and just take a twig here, and I'll just okay. So now what I will do, I'll just take the cylinder. After taking the cylinder, I'll select the face of a cylinder, and I'll make sure I'm in the front mode or something like that. Just a second. Okay, this is the perfect. So but before that, I'll select the face, then I'll take myself to this part. Then I'll use a shade tool. So for that, I have to go to I will go to Shade tool. I'll click on the Shade tool. Let's say by which I can able to rotate the face of the cylinder. No, this, not this, and let's say this one. Yes. Then after that, once you do this, you make sure you're using the Shade tool. The offset you can set any value, whatever the value you want. Okay, but let's say if I'm connecting 1, so you can take 1 value also. Okay, just type 1 here. So if it is giving 1, you can able to turn this side. If you give -1, what will happen? Let's check. You can able to turn opposite direction. And if you give 0, what will happen? You can able to set it default. So I'm giving 1. So for every time you're turning, you have to work with 1 only, either 1 or -1. Okay, yes. Now once you're done this one, what I will do, I will extrude the object, and I'll make sure I'll extrude it towards x-axis. So I'll press X after that. So I'm extruding my object, let's say till here. Okay, or you can extrude it more, no issue. So go back a little bit, and what I want to do, I want to extrude the object face towards x-axis, and I'll just take it a little longer. Okay, take this much. So what I will do, I'll do a little bit zoom out. Okay, yeah. Now after this, before this I could have increase the size of the cylinder. So what I will do now, first I will just set it to the side mode, and I'll not use this one. I'll use scaling for this, and I will just I'll select the object and I'll do scaling towards z-axis. So before that, I want to increase the size of the cylinder basically. Okay, so that is what I'm doing. Yeah, and once you do this, you have your face is already selected. So I'll just go to share mode now. I'm in the share mode, and I will just able to rotate the face. So not whole thing, just only the face. So what I will do, I'll just go and select the face, and after that I'll set myself to the side mode, and I will apply the shade tool here. So you can see, no, not this one, I guess. So with this, what I'll do, I'll just take this one, I'll give a value over here as a 1. So you can see I have done it properly. So now extrude it, press E, and then extrude it towards X. So press E and X. Okay, you have to press E and then X, so it will, yes, fine. Now after this, I want to pull my cylinder pipe towards this side, this direction, not in this direction. I want to go just towards x-axis. So what I will do, it is already selected, so I will just play with this. So basically I need to play with these things. Okay, and let's say this one, no, this one, no, it is changing the size. This one, no. So let's say I'll just come this side and No. This one, no. This one, no. Okay. So after this, let's say I want to do it -1. No, it's going more, right? So let's say 1. So let's say 2. Yes, perfect. Right? Then after that I extrude it towards y-axis or towards z-axis. So I can able to move z. Okay, just straight you have to come here, and what you need to do is you need to this you are using already. So this came, you make it 0, so no changes. You make it 1, so it came straight, but make sure while you extruding both should be straight. Okay, so I'll select this one. While selecting, I'll just press Ctrl Shift and select, and then scale it towards and make it reduce. Ctrl Z. Fine. So this is size has been reduced a little bit. Okay. Now, like this, let's say I want to turn towards this direction, now. Okay, so what I have to do, I have to use shade tool again and press S. So use shade tool, just click on this, you'll see these arrows. Nope. Just try each candle one by one so that it can able to understand which one you have to use. So okay, no. So what I will do, I'll just give a number basically from here. No changes. No changes. There is some problem. Let's say when I'm selecting this one, I'm going zoom a little bit. Okay, and after that I'll press a shade tool on this, and I can able to no. Now this one too. No. Go to shade tool. So I'll give -1 to this, 2 to this, there is some problem happened with this, so I'll just press Ctrl Z and able to accept it. So I'll select all the object and I'll just rotate it towards I'll just make it horizontally. So I'll just click R and I'll press 90°. It's sleeping now? No. Rotate towards Z. Towards X. Now select the face, go zoom. So now selecting the face, press share. No. play with these things. You can able to rotate in any direction wherever you want. Okay, but make sure you should not be changing the size of this one.